Well, I ain't want to pay $10 for no damn chicken wings. So, we gonna go with some chicken legs. We gonna season them up just the same. And y'all, clean y'all chicken. If you don't clean your chicken, drop a comment in the bottom so I can talk about you. Now I'm just playing. And if you ain't coughing, your chicken ain't seasoned. Now stir it up. Alright, going in. We're gonna cook these before we sauce them. Alright, we're gonna spread them out. And I don't know about y'all, but I like to season my tater tots a little bit. Bam! Tony has done it again. It's just a rough try, making that too pretty. I know peppers and onions is my thing. Gotta get the vegetables in somehow. Season everything, please. Shaved Angus beef. It's the same kind you use for like cheese steaks. We're gonna do something a little different. Ooh, cook like you do. On both sides. Yeah, I know y'all was wondering where that was going. Layer number 2. Bacon bits. Let's melt that biatch. And green onions on the top for the wings. Done. Well, as y'all can see, I couldn't decide on the sauce. I went with buffalo, sriracha, and that sweet Thai chili. Let's go. Loaded tater tots, top with some yum yum sauce. You can't tell, but it's a double cheeseburger, and it's chicken. It's in a sriracha sauce. 9.